Here I share with you a daily prayer that I just created. It's very powerful. Do it with me now. Oh Lord God, thank you. I feel your angelic presence every moment with us. Hence, today is the best day of our life. It's filled with love, with respect, with appreciation, blessings and jackpot. There is immense power and peace within, peace within, peace within. We have abundance of wealth, that which is used with divine wisdom. The situation, the person, the things, circumstance, weather, time, money, seasons, the universal energy forms are all aligned in harmony to what we want. We are kind-hearted and blessed. Oh Lord God, with your blessings our home is filled with happiness, peace, prosperity and abundance, and is fully and divinely protected. We are experiencing success and growth in every area of our life. We are always empowering by thoughts, words, actions. We are truthful, honest, and in integrity, and always walk on the right path, the uplifting path. Oh Lord God, we are thankful for showering upon us all the happiness we deserve. Oh Lord God, we are thankful to you for blessing us with divine health. We are physically, emotionally, mentally, spiritually fit, strong and healthy. Our soul is peaceful and happy. Oh Lord God, thank you. With your blessings, there is love and trust in our relationships. We are happy and satisfied. We see the godliness in every person. We salute the divinity in every person. Oh Lord God, with your blessings we are living an extraordinary life. It's our golden time. And with your blessings, we believe this to be eternal. Thank you.